So while I'm in town, I decided to visit Fort Vancouver, a place where I learned a lot of my blacksmithing early on. It's a national park in Vancouver, Washington, and the main attraction is that they recreate what life was like in the 1850s in this area under the control of the Hudson's Bay Company. Within the palisade walls are the buildings that comprise the fort, and among those buildings is a blacksmith shop. And the main purpose of the blacksmith shop, in fact, the main purpose of the fort was to support the beaver fur trade. So that's the blacksmith shop. I volunteered here many years ago for 1 year. A few of the people I met here are good friends to this day. By and large, this blacksmith shop is pretty authentic. Aside from electrical lights, it's pretty much as the smithy would have been. There are 4 forges and all operate with great bellows.
Back in 1845, there would have been 4 blacksmiths. Each blacksmith.
I found some pictures of myself here way back in the day. This is a picture of Peter Ross. He was the lead blacksmith at Williamsburg for many years, and he would come out here to do a demonstration every year. And that's me pretending my hand is a piece of bread in an 1850s toaster. That's one heck of a cone mandrel in the background. One of the main products that they produced and repaired here, a Beaver Trap. In addition to blacksmithing, a lot of whitesmithing or file work was also practiced here. Hope you've enjoyed this quick peek. Catch you guys next time.